What is up, you guys? It's your girl Alexa Take the Look, and today we're back. With some more Ado. This video comes from Universal Music Japan, so I don't know if they're going to let me post it. If they don't, I post all of my videos for free on Patreon, always free. There is no subscription monetary required. So if it is chopped after this little segment, it is over there for free. The link is in my bio. But we're going to take a look at Jax Jones and Ado Stay Gold, Beyblade X, and then some Japanese characters and that's what we're looking at today. It's been a while since I've done some Ado, so I'm very excited about this. As always, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so. We're on the road to 15K. I am constantly looking at different artists, going back to artists I've already looked at, so make sure you have notifications on, but we're just going to go ahead and get right into it. Alright, so this was released 6 days ago from the time I'm recording this. I'm very excited. I don't know who Jax Jones is, so very interested. I also don't know much about Beyblade, so yeah, we're just going in blind. Let's go.
We're here facing the unknown, 'cause time is always ticking. With these scars we proudly show. Looking above me, skies are dark and cloudy, but beyond that silver lining, I know what's my friend waiting for me.
Her voice.
No way to run, we wouldn't if there was one. I hear the sound, a symphony from the crowd. 1,000 strong, they're chanting at me, hear them shouting, you are not alone. Stay cool. Go for gold. Stay cold.
I like this. Okay, we're switching up the language. I love it. I loved that. I loved that a lot. Okay. I really enjoyed that. Like, it almost like felt almost a hero poppy, like move over Cascada, move over Kylie Minogue, we have Ado now. You know, like I don't know. I really enjoyed that. I know I haven't heard very many of these like EDM-ish, and like I said, I use these genre terms very lightly because I really don't know what falls into what, so I try to go as broad as I can. So electronic type music. I have not heard a lot of like purely electronic from Otto. I know that she uses certain elements and mixes them in her songs. But this was that first time I've heard it like purely electronic. And also the whole front of the song being English was super, super cool. I never expect an artist to sing in my language, especially if they're not from my country. But even if they are from my country, I don't expect them to sing in English for me. So it's always a nice little surprise and treat when they do. I always enjoy that. Not that I don't enjoy their home language, which I obviously do, or else I wouldn't have this channel where I literally only do all these other languages. But yeah, I really, really enjoyed it. I thought the lyrics were like pretty, I don't know, I want to say it's like very radio friendly, but I find that to be a good thing. I know a lot of people have like qualms with like mainstream and generic and like palpable things for some reason, but I personally like a lot of that. I like to have a good mix, you know, like not consistently only mainstream, not consistently only experimental and alternative. And so I don't know, I really enjoyed this song. I thought it was really cool. I don't know anything about Beyblade though, so that was all over my head. It looks really cool though. I know in theory, I guess, when I used to substitute teach for elementary school, there was a lot of young boys who really loved Beyblade, but that's all I know about it. But yeah, that is it for today. Let me know what you want to see in the comments below. As always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Whatever the cool YouTubers say, it's your girl likes to take a look, and I'm bouncing out. Bye!